Hello, welcome back again to the channel. As we said previously in the last video that this is an interesting chart I want us to look at. A chart, one of the bullish charts in the whole of the markets that I see according to the big caps after Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. And then you see Solana and the rest. This coin is SUI network. So, but it has an interesting chart that I want us to look into and see why I think is the best play in this rally. And to be frank, the crypto market has been on a long rally for quite a while, and people have been seeing it as bearish. If you check the macros, the very long term charts, you will see the directions of the market. Like if we were to go to the 4 days chart of this coin, you see the rally of SUI began from a position of around $0.38, 0.3, and they rose. And just like we learned from the last video of Elliott wave theories, said that market moves according to waves, impulse waves and corrective waves. So, and SUI by the higher time frame has moved according to these waves. So if we may count the waves together, you see number one, see first wave, I following wave 1, I have wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So what we are seeing next about to play is the wave 5, which we can project, have a projection. So this coin is one of the coins that have not fulfilled the 5th wave of the coins. Coins like Solana have already completed the 5th wave and are now pulling back to make a lower high to continue the downtrend. But this one is still on the uptrend, which is why I think that it is the best coin that somebody can trade or hold for a double of his profit. So those that entered early, like the pullback went as slow as 1.8 over here, 1.8 over here. That's where it went, and people that entered then is already there. But that is it. So that's why I think that it's one of the best coins to hold at this time around. And we can, if we may use a Fibonacci projections, we can see where the estimates, we can see where it can project to land, which is why I mark this area now. I call it $7. This coin can actually move to $7. Currently it is around 3.5. 3.5 double, that is 100% move, is still $7. And see by the first candle of this thing, see the length it moved. So you can this is one of the more bullish candles. So if we may take the technicals of this very chart, you can see some interesting aspects of breaking supports and retesting supports. You see the first wave. We see the first wave in such a way encountered a resistance and come back. But the third wave broke the same resistance and retested it. Next thing is to bounce from it. And this is the biggest play for me so far that I've seen. It is not an old coin. It's not a new coin per se. It's not a new coin, but an old coin with a very balanced and very visible key levels. This is why I think you should put SUI in your portfolio. Coins like there are many other coins that you may think about that you want to trade, but they are not the best. Like trading Binance in the current market will not give you what you want. So let us summarize SUI. So by this analysis, I'm encouraging that SUI will move to that someone who should have SUI in his portfolio, so that we can target 7. Okay, that's about it. That's why I said there's a coin I want us to discuss, and for good reason. This reason was the reason that the charts and the technicals, this coin have not actually moved. We've not actually seen a good bull run. Well, first, but the truth is that after this fifth wave, it will have to correct like the rest also. But at least I think that $7 is possible before this Bitcoin rally will end. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for hearing out. Thank you.